Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I'm making this video to show you how to replace a battery of your Chevrolet Malibu 2017. Okay, first we have to push this button here, this side, and take off the key there. And you can see it right here. Put this key here and do it like this. There. And open there. Take this off. And this one's just over here. Just put it like that, there. Put it back onto pieces right here. There goes our battery. Alright, take this off. You need a knife. That's easy. Alright, so number of this battery is, all you have to do is buy this one at Walmart or any Canadian Tire store. It's a CR2032, 3 volts. Okay, now when you put back the battery on the key fob, always remember the positive sign right here is always pointing downward right there. Okay, when you put back on the battery, just always remember the positive sign here, always right there, downward, and push it in there. It's locked in place, and we put this back on. Make it simple and easy. Just put this one on top, then and press there. It's back on, and put back on the key. Back inside. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's how you do it. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more video.